How's it going, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how to eliminate the rear seat rattle. I know this could be driving you crazy and it could be really challenging trying to find out and pinpoint where the rattle is coming from. After spending quite some time trying to figure this out, I discovered that the parts that are rattling are these two latches on the bottom of the seat. Looks like these two brackets on the floor got pretty worn out over time, and that allows for those two latches on the seat to have a little bit of play. And to fix the problem, all we need to do is muffle those latches, and I found one of the easiest and cleanest ways of doing it would be by using these adhesive Velcro strips. You may have some of these laying around your house, and if not, I can drop a link down in the comments below where you can order them online. It's best to use the fluffy side. Cut off two pieces about this long, and we're just going to stick them at this point where the latches meet the brackets. Once you install these, your seat might be latching a little bit harder than usual, but check this out. I'm driving on the same road and the rattle is completely gone. Alright folks, I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please give it a like. Thank you. Have a nice day.